Hey YouTubers, how's it going out there in YouTube land? Just another day / night in paradise, right? That's what I thought. Well, beautiful out here today, that's for sure. What a nasty day. Snow, kind of wet, damp, but it's not below zero. That's a good day. Well, just a quick video today. This is my neighbor's, well, a couple houses up the street. Her '06 Trailblazer, beautiful vehicle, only 76,000 miles. No power steering. She couldn't figure out what was wrong with it. She kept putting power steering fluid in it. And obviously, when I pulled it over to my place, right away, check this out. That looks like power steering fluid, don't it? It's just dumping the power steering fluid out of the unit. We don't know where it's coming from, so I took the grill apart, started looking, and obviously there's the power steering unit. No problem. It's working. You put power steering fluid in it, it'll work. Then as soon as the power steering goes down to nothing, no power steering, it's really hard. These Trailblazers have a problem. It's really a shame. A lot of rust. So let me start this up here, and I'm going to show you where the leak is. And this happens to you, this is where you should look. Start it up here real quick. Like I said, just a beautiful vehicle. Only 75,000 original miles. If she ever gets rid of this thing, she can't drive much anymore, so if she ever sells it, I want to try to make a good deal with her. Maybe she'll sell it to me, I don't know. Alright, so it's working. I'm going to show you where it's leaking at. You'll probably hear it and see it. Here is the air conditioner cooler. The power steering fluid runs to the bottom of this. It's all one piece. If you look closely, right about, let's see, there. See it leaking out? It's leaking really bad right there. It's got a rust hole in it. Funny thing is, it looks okay. I don't see much rust, but I don't see no damage. So it's definitely a rust hole there. It's running down behind that cooler there. And obviously we're going to have to pull this out, replace it with another one. It's attached to the back of the radiator, which is right there. I think you can see it. Thankfully it's okay, but it's really a shame. So if you don't have any power steering, if you're leaking it out like I am here, definitely check this cooler on the bottom here. I've seen this a couple other times. Yippee, the joys of working on cars sometimes. But at least it's an easy fix. We originally thought maybe it was one of these hoses up here on the power steering leaking and running down to the front of this, but I actually had to take the front of this grill off on the front, which is right there, pop it off and actually look in here and verify where it was coming from, and that's where it's coming from. So just want to make a quick video, kind of waiting for the weather to break here so I can get some other things done. But if you have a power steering fluid loss and it's coming up from the bottom here, dripping off of your front fascia, more than likely you've got a problem up here. So it does happen. So there you go. So thanks for watching. Till my next video. See you guys later.